What's going on, family? How everybody doing today? We're at the shop today. Got like one, possibly two on site call later on this afternoon. But this is all we're working on at the shop today. Got contacted through Facebook last night and brought it on up here this morning and got everything washed. I'm gonna bring it in a little bit once it drip dry, get all the water dripping on my floors. Go ahead and do that and put it in here and clay it and wax it. Give him a call in about another hour so he can come pick it up. Who is this? Oh, that's my baby coming up here to pick up her phone. Hi, sweetie. Get back with y'all in a second once we get finished with this Dodge here. Hello?
How's it going, man?
All right, how you doing, sir?
Pretty good. This is Dylan. I got my dog to drop off this morning.
Oh, yes, sir, yes, sir. You'll be ready in about another 30 minutes.
30 minutes, all right. I know I didn't use my number this morning. I didn't know if you was trying to get a hold of me or not.
Yeah, I was gonna go through Facebook, but I'm glad you gave it to me. But like I said, about 30 minutes, 45 minutes, you'll be ready.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it. Everything going pretty good with it?
Yes, sir, it is.
All righty. All right, we'll see you.
Yes, sir.
All right, bye.
Bye-bye. of my reasons for coming in today was basically just to show a couple people that like to do certain things on their own. That if you're putting wax on a car, vehicle, truck, SUV, or whatever it might be, you can leave your wax on there. Some people say to give them a hard time if they leave it on there, removing it. I'm gonna show you a remedy that'll easily take it off. Plus, it'll enhance your shine on your wax. All you gotta do, whether you put your wax on the car, some people like to do a panel at a time and go and take it off, which that's fine. That's okay. But some people like to put it on there and they like to, just let it marinate on there for a while, just sit. But they'll often come back with the problem where it was hard to come off. It took me too long to get it off. Okay, the only remedy you have to do is take you a damp rag when you're getting ready to remove your wax off your vehicle. Get you a damp rag, clean damp rag, damp it, don't have it soaking wet, just have it, damp. Get you a clean microfiber, dry. And this has been on here probably about 20 minutes. Normally on a regular, I do panel by panel. I put it on and I take it off, or sometimes I put it on and I buff it in. Okay, this is just an easier way to remove it. As I say, you just put it on there, you just lightly. As you see, it's coming right off. It's coming right off. Just lightly buff it off, straight line. We don't do the circular motion no more. If you look at your swirls in your paint job, they're in this pattern here. It's a reason why. It's because of improper washing. Okay, normally when you wash a vehicle and you have your bucket, you should have what we call in the detail world a grit guard that goes down inside of the bucket. 1 second. Sorry about that. Okay, this is what you call a grit guard. Okay, normally when you got your bucket, your car wash bucket, everybody else, they'll take their wash mitt or whatever they use and they don't have this. So their rag and their mitt is just laying in the bottom of the bucket of water and soap. Okay, so every time they just throw it in there after they didn't wash the panel, that rag is sitting down in the bottom with all the grit and all the dirt, the debris, and things of that nature. Okay, so when you pull your rag up out the car, out the bucket to get ready to place it on the car to continue to wash, and you've been taught to do a circular motion, which that is wrong. Circular motions, as I told you, your swirl patterns are in circular motions if you notice them. That's because of improper washing techniques. Nowadays, a lot of things have changed, even in our little car washing and detailing area. Everything is straight lines. Straight lines are vertical lines. Okay, if you do perhaps put a vertical or a straight line scratch in a vehicle, it's easier to remove than a circular scratch, because normally when you're going in circular motion, you're staying in one area 2 to 3 seconds. 2 to 3 seconds, you've put hundreds of micro scratches in your paint. One wrong wash job can ruin a paint job where it had to be corrected. Okay, the safe way is this right here, called a grit guard. You place this in the bottom of your bucket, you fill it up with your soap and water, so when you drop in the bucket, this sits on top of this and not down in the dirt. So when you pull it up, it's fresh. All you have to do is dip it, rub it against this, and you continue to wash. And you'll be able to wash the vehicle without scratching the vehicle. Now, anytime you touch a vehicle, you have chances of putting some type of scratch or marring on the paint. There's no way of avoiding that. That's why you have certain different methods. A lot of times you'll see me foaming a car with soap first. The reason I do that because that's the proper way to actually wash a car. You want to foam it, let that soap or that degreaser loosen the dirt up first, and then you pressure wash it off. So that way you won't just go slap onto a dirty car washing it, basically rubbing the dirt into your paint and your clear coat. So, but as I was saying, back to how, removing wax, even if it's left on a vehicle for a long time, you can do that. That'll be no problem. As you see, this here has been on here Probably about 25, 30 minutes now. But if you get a damp rag, you just lightly, the wax comes right off, and you just come behind yourself with the clean, dry microfiber. That's my detailing tip for today. Peace out, happy detailing, and much success to all. One love.
Like new money.
Sir?
They look like new money.
Right. I blew out the front passenger and driver's side just for GP.
Okay, appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, I'm usually the only one that rides in it. I knew it couldn't have been too terribly dirty. That is how much you charge to wipe it down and all that.
Yes, sir. Yeah, it wasn't. Just blew it out back in the front area. And
Okay.
you walk around and make sure everything look good to you.
Not too bad, huh?
Nah. It's like I was saying about the other little stuff that's still in there that you're gonna see. Like,
Yeah.
you see what I'm saying? We'll have to do some type of
Like
polishing or paint correction on that to remove that. And either go back over with a good wax or either a good sealer. You know what I'm saying? Remember what I told you about that? Where you work at before you even think about ceramic.
Yeah.
I work the same place then.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's too fine of a truck to work out there. Really.